You can't knock this thing down. I got closing costs, commissions. I think that's probably like a safe play. How are you getting out of there? What's the one other really, really important factor why I bought this? Question number one, what's it worth? I'm at $450. I think that's probably like a safe play. Roof's brand new, heating systems are updated, all the units are fully renovated. This side yard adds value. You have this monstrosity. If you knock this down, you would have to fill 15 feet or 10 feet of height. It would be so cost ineffective. If you didn't do that, you'd have a death trap for someone walking down the street. I think there's more value in having a driveway put in and maybe 1 or 2 garage doors in here, because I think it would add a lot of value to the house. There's 2 bigger issues in there. The truck is number one. You're either gonna have to tow it, get it out of here, or cut it into pieces and get rid of it. But the bigger problem is there's a lot of asbestos in there. When I look at a property, the biggest thing that I analyze as far as who am I getting with the property, and if I can get both or 3 units vacant, it has a ton of value. The biggest minus, the layout sucks. All the other factors are gonna overcompensate for the sucky layout. I paid $220, I think, and I put $110 into it. I sell it for $450, what do I make? After paying all my closing costs, all my commissions, all my everything else, and then 20% for taxes, take $8,000 out, now you're at $37,500. Why is it worth it? Keeping my guys going, putting another sign in the ground, I'm building the brand even stronger, I'm getting more buyers, I'm giving you guys more open houses to do, I'm doing another trial and error on another property, and I made a buck. Somebody brought it to me that I didn't know, and I wanna show you I can close. You get something else, just bring it right to me. I would do one, even if I broke even. You gotta look at all these deals and you gotta understand it's bigger than one deal.